Ever seen a soldering station change the game? Meet the GEEBOON HC24, where power meets precision. Compatible with 115, 210, 245, and T12 tips. Switch tips hot. No downtime, just flow. Color curve display reveals every detail live. 400 watts peak power. Yes, you heard right. Short circuit protection reacts in under 12 microseconds. Worried about safety? ESD protection built in. Supports both Chinese and English, universal for all. Wide voltage, 110 240 volt, global compatibility. Industrial temperature control for pro-level work. High power 220 watts keeps performance steady. Real-time data curve chart, see your heat in action. Smart sleep mode extends tool life, saves energy. Power limiting feature. Protects your components. 2.0-inch IPS screen, vibrant and clear. 3-second quick heating, ready before your coffee. Compact portable, take it anywhere. USB upgradable, future-proof your station. Max heating power? 240 watts, no lag, no wait. Supports multiple soldering iron tip types. Meets strict safety standards for welding. Dynamic temp and power compensation, always accurate. See real-time power display at a glance. Temp password lock, your settings, your way. User-friendly interface. Every function, easy to access. Monitor station status, working, sleep, shutdown. Sleep mode cuts power use, boosts tool longevity. More than just temperature, see all welding info. Curves visualize your soldering performance instantly. Perfect for pros, hobbyists, and everyone in between. 1-year warranty, worry-free soldering. Lifetime cost maintenance, always supported. From micro repairs to big projects, it excels. No more guesswork. Know your station's every move. Creative engineering, innovative design. Sleek, modern, and built to last. Upgrade your workflow. Be faster, safer, smarter. AliExpress exclusive, grab yours now. Ready to level up your soldering game? GEEBOON HC24, where innovation meets reliability. Click to buy and experience the future of soldering.